Friends, here on this video you don't know how to set or how to use two apps in one screen. You can set dual apps. And friends, before we set up this dual apps on your OnePlus phone, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all, friends, here you have to move on setting. After that, from here you can search on the search setting for the dual. You can search a clone app or twin app. Okay, if on the search setting it's not showing, then you can search dual apps, clone apps, or the twin app. Okay, let's search for the dual apps. If it doesn't come, then it's okay. Here it's shown app cloner. Tap on app cloner, then you can set for the Instagram, WhatsApp, or Facebook, etc., Twitter. Okay, now let's move for the WhatsApp. If you want to activate for the WhatsApp the app cloner, you can say you want to use two apps, then here create app clone. Creating app clone, WhatsApp clones added to home screen. Okay, you can rename app clone also when using quick function always ask. Okay, it will always ask. Okay, select also open original app also. Rename app clone also, you can even rename the app clone also if you want to rename, example like WhatsApp 2 or WhatsApp clone. Okay, here's my original WhatsApp and here's my WhatsApp clone. Okay, it will show like this. So this is how you can use original WhatsApp and copy of the WhatsApp. Now again, let's move on the back buttons. If you want to turn off this app cloner, then you can turn off. Just click on this icon, delete the clones of WhatsApp, and its data will permanently deleted. The action cannot be undone. Okay, suppose you have signed in, you have been using, then it will be deleted permanently. Click on delete. Has been deleted. This is my original WhatsApp. The clone WhatsApp, it has been deleted. Okay, so friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.